We are going to be making these ornaments that have scraps in them. Welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. Today we're in a different space. This is actually my craft room. I wanted to kind of switch it up to see how the background looked, and we might film in other places of this room later on. But I wanted to do a video today on ornaments that I saw filled with yarn scraps. They're really cute. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a 2-pack of these ornaments. These are the Crafter's Square ornaments. And we're basically just going to fill them with a bunch of yarn and yarn scraps. You could use fabric scraps for this as well. It will be a really easy project, so let's jump right into it. First thing I'm going to do is just separate these ornaments by cutting the tags off of them. I got a total of 10 ornaments, so 5 sets of ornaments. Now you'll want to take the tops off, so you'll grab here and just pull really hard and the top will just come right off, and this is so we can fill them. Now that I have all my tops taken off, I'm literally just going to shove some yarn in them. I'm telling you, this is the easiest project. I have this yarn in my stash that's like velvet, so I'm definitely going to put some of that in here. I'm just going to cut off like little bits. I've had this yarn for so long. It's got multiple colors in it, some whites, a little light pink, and then a dark pink. I think that will be fun. I have some textured white yarn that I'll be adding as well. I'm literally just going to stuff the ornaments with the yarn until I feel like I like them. You can add glitter, you can add fabric scraps, you can add ribbon scraps. I'm gonna fill these all the way up and then I'll show you what they look like. Tops on, you just pinch them together at the little prongies, pinch them, and then you stick them in the bowl. I'm going to repeat that to all of my ornaments, and I'll be back when those are finished. I finished all of the ornaments. They came out really cute. I love this idea of using scraps. I didn't have any yarn scraps, so I did kind of like make my own scraps. But you can use fabric scraps, you can use yarn scraps, you can use embroidery thread scraps, glitter in them, you can paint them. Literally do whatever your little heart desires with them. This was a really quick and easy project, but I hope that you loved it. I hope this video inspires you that you don't have to spend a lot of money or use a lot of materials to make a really beautiful holiday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.